Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to keep improving our English, and for that we are going to learn 10 words to increase our vocabulary. If you want to keep improving your English and you want to learn new things, subscribe to my channel. To do this, we are going to use the Bible as a tool. The first thing we are going to do is to read the Bible verse to practice our pronunciation, and then we are going to start to analyze it. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. Surely He will save you from the fowler snare and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wing you will find refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and rampart. Psalm 91. The first word we're going to analyze is whoever, that is used for emphasize instead of who in questions typically expressing surprise or confusion. Whoever wins should be guaranteed an Olympic place. Person who, could I speak to whoever is in charge of international sales, please? That's the meaning of whoever. Now we have shelter. Shelter is one of the basic human needs along with food, water and companionship. It's a structure that protects you from the elements and gives you a place to live. A place giving temporary protection from bad weather or danger. Huts like these are used as a shelter during the winter. They open a shelter to provide temporary housing for the city homeless. The trees provide some shelter from the rain. Now we have refuge. To take refuge is to find a safe place. You might take refuge under a bridge in the hailstorm or in a basement during a tornado. A place that gives protection or shelter from danger, trouble, unhappiness, etc. These people are taking refuge from persecution. The climbers slept in a mountain refuge. This is my refuge. Now we have fortress. Fortress is a castle or other large strong building or well-protected place which is intended to be difficult for enemies to enter. A fortress is a large building or complex of buildings used as a military stronghold. In a military sense, a fortress is often called a fort. Now it's about staying in the team and trying to make this place a fortress again. We have to turn this place into a fortress again. Now we have these two important words, fowler and snare. Fowler is someone who hunts wild birds from food, and snare is a trap, usually from small animals and using a nose. A snare can also mean to trap in general or any type of trap. Now we have shield and rampart. Shield is a cover that protects whatever is behind or beneath. If you carry a shield, you might be a knight or a traffic cop who likes to flash the badge. Rampart. If you are building a sand castle and you want it to be extra realistic, don't forget the rampart. This protective wall may not keep the option away, but it might intimidate a few hostile army crafts. Finally, we have the word faithfulness. Faithfulness is a commitment to someone or something. Faithfulness is especially valued in spouses and in sports fans. When a married person is faithful, they stand by their spouse and don't cheat. Faithfulness refers to the quality of being faithful and loyal. A patriotic person is full of faithfulness to their country. Someone who works at one company for decades has faithfulness to that company. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. Surely He will save you from the fowler snare and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wing you will find refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and rampart. Psalm 91. To sum up, we can say that in today's lesson we learned 10 words to improve our English, and it will help us to sound more like a native. Those words are whoever, shelter, refuge, fortress, fowler, snare, faithfulness, shield, and rampart. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you learned something new today. God bless you.